What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Marv, back out here in Pattaya. Just landed out here in Pattaya. Got to my hotel. Something slight. Hey, I got the only room in the hallway. Let me show y'all. I just came out the elevator this way. I was looking for my room, and literally, I got the cut. I'm in the cut. So let me show y'all what I got going on. Ready? So I just came in with this amazing bathroom. If I can get the light on. Oh, there must be a light in here somewhere. Insert my card. Oh, I gotta do that, true. Now they have this system in Thailand where you gotta for you to access the AC in the room and the lights even, you gotta put your key card right next to the door and then see everything just turn right on like that. And that's pretty much how that go. So now let's check the bathroom. Oh, look, the bathroom light's on. This amazing bathroom, y'all. Isn't this just surreal? Isn't the bathroom just amazing? Everything you need. They gave me a little towel in there too. This is my room, something slight. Gave me some snacks, I appreciate that. Gave me some, I wouldn't call it snacks. Gave me some coffee and some creamer. Got some complimentary waters. Got TV on deck. You know, I'm about to be on that YouTube. You know, everything you need, you know. I got a balcony. How beautiful is this? Oh, I got a big balcony, wow. I was not expecting it to be this big. Looks like this balcony is to the back side of the building. Oh, now on the front side, oh wow, there's a basketball hoop over there. That's pretty dope, I'm not gonna lie. I would ball out. I'm not gonna lie, I would play ball right here. I'm not gonna lie. It's like a rooftop basketball thing. I got this on cinematic mode, so maybe maybe it's a little blurry back there, but there's a basketball hoop right there, guys. It's on the roof of another building. Look at that. So that's what it is, y'all. I'm here for 9 days. Yeah, I'm pretty excited. I just got here. Only like a 2-hour ride from Bangkok. The taxi ride was pretty smooth, I'm not gonna lie. I did pay a little extra for tolls. Altogether, it came out to just under 60 bucks US dollars. So the ride was about 45, and then plus tolls was about 50, almost 15. So it's about 15 bucks for tolls. So that's what it is, guys. I'm out here. I'm about to settle in. As soon as I got here I passed my building when I was coming, and because it's such a small little door, and it's all buildings lined up. I'm right next to a 7-Eleven again, ironically. I think there are 7-Elevens everywhere around here, and so I passed my door or my hotel on my way here. Just walked down about 50 feet, then I had to turn around. But on that little voyage, walking up the street, I was encountered by about maybe 4 massage parlors, and they were all just asking me to come in, massage. Very sweet women. They seem like very sweet women. I did look at some of the prices of the massages. They're about 200 baht, which is accurate as to what I researched. So the foot massages, which is what I'm interested in, are about 200 baht, which comes out to about $10. No, not even. It's about $6 or $7 or so, USD, sorry. And yeah, guys, I'm excited. So I'm probably gonna pick up some kush. I'm probably gonna get some food, some Thai food up the street, pick up some kush, and maybe grab a foot massage. And I think I can do all of that on my street, which is amazing. So yeah, I'm also gonna venture out into the other outskirts or other, surrounding areas. As you can see, there's, oh, not that way. Over here in front of me, I see Arika Lodge. I did pass, so when I came around here, or something like that. I came around, and then I got dropped off on this side of the street. But Arika Lounge, I almost stayed there. I was considering it when I was booking my stay here, but I didn't choose it. It was a little upper scale, which I didn't want. I wanted something kind of medium size like this, which is perfect. I can see it's two twin beds put together, which works for me. Hey, it gets the job done, guys. So this is where I'm at. This is what it is. Hope to give you guys some more content while I'm out here for the next 9 days. And yeah, first time in Pattaya. Let's make it a good one.